So, hello, my dear friends. Again, Electric Uncle. Engineer R.S. Sharma is with you. Namaskar. So, just I want to introduce my free education platform, Multitech Education for You. This is a free education platform, and especially the students below poverty line. We used to provide them material also. So this is just starting. Whatever I have my experience, I am just distributing it among the students, needy students. So please cooperate and watch full movie, full video, as well as subscribe, like, and let us go to our main subject of today itself. So we will now unbox it. WS 2811 12 volt. I have written on that packet, and the other one is WS 2812B, which works on 5 volt. This is of 12 volt. And don't get confused, they give these 5 wires in starting, this red and white. It is going to connector also. These both are in parallel, same wires. And one IC controls 3 LEDs. Means 3 LEDs, we have to count 1 LED. One IC, 3 LEDs. So in the coding, we will consider these 3 LED, 1 LED. So we will write IC number. How many ICs we have to put in our code. So see, positive, negative, everywhere written. 12 volt, negative, center one is the signal. So don't get confused with this 2 wire extra in starting. These are for the power supply. And the connector, there are 3 wires, same, red and white are same. In the center there is a signal wire, green color. So from the connector we will take green and white to Arduino Uno, and these 2 loose wires, red and white, we will connect 12 volt supply. So the signal direction is upward, arrow is given. So we have to give supply from this side, signal from this end, not from the other end. If you will give reverse signal, it will not work. And if you will connect positive negative with the wrong terminal, it will spoil the IC. Means 3 LEDs will not work, they will spoil. So you have to cut it then again. So this is the signal, the arrow is shown. This is the connector, 3 wires. From here we will take green and white ground for Arduino, and the signal will go upwards. So we have to make connection at the bottom of this WS2811 strip. If you will give supply from this side, it will not work. Of course LEDs will glow, but the signal will not go. From this end only signal will travel to upward towards the arrow. This is the negative, the positive. So it is written there 12 volt. So now we will move towards, this is the other type of LED. See, this is the pixel. IC is same in it, WS2811, and inside the pixel you will see there is IC inside the pixel itself. you can see it, and this is 12 mm dia of each pixel, but they are 2 to 3 inches apart. So when you make a long distance, see the IC is visible. Each pixel have got one IC WS2811, but it is work, it need 5 volt, not 12 volt, and the same connectors we will use in a similar way. So just consider there are 3 wires, one positive, one negative, one for signal, center one. So this project we will make in the next part. I will make a circuitry of these pixels also. Now let us come to our step. Now I have to choose minimum 25 ICs for the stem of our cracker tree. So I will choose 25 ICs for the stem and the one longest branch of 7 ICs, means 21 LEDs. So 7 in the longest branch, 25 in our stem, so it will be 32 ICs combination. Other branches will be in parallel, so forget about them. You have to count the maximum length of the branch and the stem ICs. So it is coming, I have choose 7 ICs, means 21 LEDs for branch, and 25 ICs means 75 LEDs for the stem. So 25 plus 7 is 32. I will put the code 32. Now I will cut the wires. I will show you the soldering work, how to do it in a fine way, because the terminals are very close. So my dear friends, just I bring these wires, I will cut 4 inches piece, show you soldering. Okay. Now what we have to do, all the branches of this strip, we have to bring out 3 wires from each strip. Okay, from all the strips 3 wires are supposed to be bring. Then we will connect them all in parallel, all the branches. Okay, you know, and this I purchased, bought it, 0 PCB. You can use it for multi-purpose. So I want to make the things in a proper way. Otherwise you can connect all these strips direct, white to white, red to red, green to green. Okay. Now here is our strip. See. Now you see this arrow, it is going up. So where we will solder these wires? At the bottom of the arrow side, not at the top, because signal will move like this. We will leave this end, we will connect the all end of all the strips below the arrow, so that signal will move like this. So this care you have to take. And this side is 12 volt red. Here it will be white. I have taken white as negative, and this signal D1 to connect these wires here. So in soldering, what you used to do, first put some solder on these 3 points. This is the very fine work to make soldering. How to do it? We will put some solder first here. You have to watch it carefully. Make your solder iron hot. I will put little solders. Like this. Make it first hot. Then just touch the solder. In between, just make it hot first, no soldering. Now apply the solder. You see, all soldering I put on it. Make it better here also. So this is the way. First solder these 3 points with hot, and now put some solder on the wires like this. Make it hot first, the wire, then apply solder on it. Make it hot, apply solder like this. Okay, here also we'll do same thing. Make it hot first, keep it on it, let the wire be hot, it will catch it. You see, all the 3 wires at one end we will do like this. Make it hot, keep it, let the wire be hot. So like this. Now it will be very easy. Now where will be the white wire? To the negative, right? Keep it little this side and just touch it. See? Now you little bit stretch, it is okay. So this soldering you have to make in a perfect way. Now green is for the signal in the center. So this is very fine work. You have to be very careful. Just put it. Like this. So our soldering is perfect. What we will do after making all the connections, all the strips we have to make it like this. Arrow is going here. Then we will what do? All the strips, white will be connected with white. There are 10 strips, so we will connect white with them. Green each other, this each other. We will make the connections in parallel. I will show you the diagram also in my video and make a link also. You can download that and make a printout of this diagram. So this is the way. Make soldering work. Now what I will do, this is that I have 12 wires. So what I will do, I will make the strip of it. Put all the strips on the black paper, black sheet, so that in the night when there will be cracker effect, firecracker, so black sheet will be not visible. If we will use white, it will be visible. It has come here. What we will do? We have to make it in 3 parts. Okay, this will also do. It has become small. 10 wires, 1 wire out. Yeah, that will do. Okay. So, what I will do now, from all the strips, the wire will come here. Just mold it. One wire in one here. Like this, and one we will put here. Like this. So, from all the strips, we will bring our wire like this. So, what I will do now, I should make it firm. So, 10 wires, 11 wires, how many branches you are going to make? You can do it like this. So, let me do one by one. Hot it. Don't apply solder first. Just make it hot. Then it will. Now put your solder wire. You see? Firm connection. Right? So, like that, from all the strips, bring the wire in. Because this is my practical experience. If you will not do like this, the solder will be not good. And when you will start the things, it may not work properly. So you have to take care from the very beginning. The connections should be firm. And afterwards, what you will do? First make it hot. Then apply solder. This way, you can do one thing. You can join this wire direct, all the 10 wires, just pinking, tipping, soldering, that way. But I prefer this way. All the wires I will bring here. Red on this strip, green on this, negative, white bar on this. This is for signal. Then when I will join all the strips, only one wire from here, one from here, one from here. I need to work with that, not with 10 wires. So this care you have to take. And afterwards connections, I will show you. I will put the black chart. On black chart I will spread these things, make a tree. Then this is the Arduino. Just I will program it from the computer. Bring this signal wire here, negative wire only. 5 volt supply from here, or you can give 12 volt from here. In Arduino Uno, when 12 volt go from here, it convert it to 5 volt. Arduino needs 5 volt only. Don't put 12 volt here. Arduino Uno. So you have to take care for that. This is 12 volt 2811 WS2811 strip LED SMD. 5 volt no problem, because in that to strip also you have to give 5 volt. Arduino Uno also 5 volt. There is no voltage difference for Arduino Uno or the strip. Here we need for strip 12 volt. If that 12 volt you will give it from here, from the pin or from somewhere, you can give that 12 volt here. Because from here it will convert 5 volt. So please take care for it. Otherwise you will spoil your Arduino Uno. So see you in our next part. Thank you.